Hi everyone, I wanted to give a tour of my sketchbook. So I use my sketchbook to make drawing mileage. So I try to draw every day. So maybe some observations in a train station from random people, or just drawing some girl with an elephant. Actually, these were some ideas for a story that I started with, but never continued with it. Maybe I will continue with it at one point. So you can see I'm drawing all these kinds of different things, and that really helps with building up a library in your head for shapes and characters, and maybe you get some ideas. So sometimes I get the question, how do you come up with ideas for what to draw? So as you see, I just drew some sharks, or I just draw Spider-Man, or some background with random alien, or some head shapes.